Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. King Reza built this palace to show his power and sovereignty to the world. The construction of the Marmar Palace began 100 years ago and took up to 12 years. This palace was used as King Reza's office in the winter season. During the reign of King Mohammad-Reza, it was turned into a museum in 1977 so that people could get to know his father more. After the Iranian Revolution, the Marble Palace was used by politicians and it started its activity 5 years ago under the name of the Iran Art Museum. All Iranian arts, from the art of mirror work, inlay work, plaster work, to outstanding paintings of Versak Bridge and Persepolis, can be seen in one place in this palace.